Good manners. Please remember to cover your mouth when you sneeze or when you cough. Use a tissue and wash your hands. That is always the best plan. Use your manners everywhere. Don't forget the magic words. You must use them wherever you go. Thank you, sorry, excuse me, please. Are kind words to say, you'll see. Use your manners everywhere, anytime and anywhere. Good manners matter. All of them you have to master. Be respectful all the time. Wait your turn and be on time. Keep your hands to yourself. Listen when others are talking as well. Use your manners everywhere. Don't forget the magic words. You must use them wherever you go. Thank you, sorry, excuse me, please. Are kind words to say, you will see. Use your manners everywhere, anytime and anywhere. Good manners matter. All of them you have to master. Good manners. Please remember to cover your mouth when you sneeze or when you cough. Use a tissue and
God has given us this day to use us as we will. Time is precious and priceless. One lost will never be recovered. We should utilize each and every moment of our lives productively and should never waste it meaninglessly. This is Red House presenting today's assembly on theme time. Time is not measured by the passing of years, by what one does, what one feels, and what one achieves. So let's purify our souls with divine energy by reciting Surah Fatiha. Now it's time for today's riddle.
Today's riddle. What is the most valuable resource in the universe? I repeat. What is the most valuable resource in the universe? There's the answer. The answer ending in SG will be declared in the evening here.
Having a rich vocabulary helps us to communicate in a more engaging way. The greater number of words we have, the more we can interpret ideas from others and express our own ideas. So let us enhance our vocabulary.
Today's word of the day. Trials. I repeat. Today's word of the day. Trials. A short period of time. Synonym. Instant or movement. Anonym. Forever or lifetime.
Friends, if we waste our time, it can never be recovered. So, it is important to utilize each and every moment of our lives productively. Thank you.
वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह. माननीय महोदय, शाळेचे मुख्याध्यापिका, शिक्षक, शिक्षिका आणि माझ्या प्रिय विद्यार्थ्यांना शुभ दुपार. मी नमस्कार करून आज चिऱ्या गावची प्रार्थना सादर करत आहे. ज्याने संपूर्ण विश्व निर्माण केले त्या परमेश्वराला स्मरून आपण आजची प्रार्थना करूया.
आत्मविश्वासी दिशाची मुलगी आहे. In English, confidence is a key to success. Thank you.
असा शब्द कोडे. असा कोणता फळ आहे जे गोड असूनही बाजारात विकला जात नाही? I repeat. असा कोणता फळ आहे जे गोड असूनही बाजारात विकला जात नाही? सांगा बरं मी काय आहे?
शाळे हे आपल्या सर्वांना आवडते. शाळेमध्ये आपण मित्र-मैत्रिणी बनवतो, खेळतो, शिकतो. आपल्या भविष्याचे काळ शाळेमुळे भक्कम होतो. हे आपल्याला पुढील कवितेतून समजले आहे.
शाळेची घंटा स्कूल लाईब्ररीमध्ये आला स्वातंत्र्याचा वेळ. जुन्या मुलांना घंटा झाली, ऐकू आली टरटरटर. करा तयारी लवकर भरभर, आळस सगळं सोडून द्या. पुन्हा सोबत थंडी वारा, नको काही नको बहाना. चिरकाल करण्याची बाई,
achieve success in their lives are pretty determined. They never let the failure to overcome with their feelings. Therefore, make sure that you are determined about your goals. With these motivational lines, I differ with my Red House friends welcome you all in today's assembly. Starting our day with remembering Allah, who is the priority in our life, and spending time with Allah is always valuable, precious and important. So let's start our day with God's prayer. Surah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Inna a'tainaka al-kawthar. Indeed, we have granted you, O Muhammad al-Kawthar. Fasalli li rabbika wanhar. So pray to your God and sacrifice. Inna shani'aka huwal abtar. Indeed, your enemy is the one cut off from you.
Subhanallah. Now it's time for prayer before class. Dr. Abdul Kalam, the missile man of India, was not only a scientist, a writer, or a president, but also a man of inspirational thought.
So today's topic today, all of us do not have an equal talent, but all of us have an equal opportunity to develop certain. Thank you.
We can make our plans, but the Allah Ta'ala determines our steps.
Sunnah way of eating is
We can make our plans, but the Allah Ta'ala determines our steps. So let's listen some beautiful hadith.
al-kalimatu tayyibatu sadaqah. It is also charity to utter a good word. I repeat, it is also charity to utter a good word. Sunnah way of eating in Islam. Wash both hands. Be seated while eating. Say Bismillah before eating. Use your right hand to eat or drink. Never waste your food. Pick up the food if dropped and eat. Don't criticize the food. Eat together and share. Clean the plate thoroughly. Do not eat too much. Recite the dua after eating.
for their